Hi everyone, it's Galen Martling. Today I'm here with Unity Stamp Company and I am sharing a very sweet girl card, and I'm going to accent the card with dry embossing, circles, some more circles, and also I use some Copic coloring and I show you how I do that. So this is a really sweet stamp by Unity. It's called Garden of Whimsy, Aria Marie. That's the girl stamp. And I also have scallops and circles nesting dies by Unity. I'm also going to use a scrap piece of paper and mist it a little bit with water and use an embossing folder and run that through a die cutting machine to get an impression, sort of a paper design with texture. I'm going to try to get 3 circles off of this scrap piece of paper, and I do, but one of the circles is not completely round, but it's going to be hidden behind the big circle with the girl on it. And so this is a good way to use up your scraps as well. And you can use any colors, patterns, shapes for the embossing circles or accents. They can be squares or any other shapes that you like. Now I just go ahead and with a few shades of turquoise, I add color to the dress and some of the leaves for the plants that are around her. I stamped some butterflies around her, um, just to give a more whimsical look, and have the fluttering butterflies there, and the plants and flowers are just on one side, just for this card. And so I just layer up my colors and try to make a little bit of a scene for her. I blend some tans and pinks around her face and hands and legs. And so then you'll see after a while of a lot of layering, sometimes these markers can actually have a bleaching effect. So I try not to do it too much at one time. So now on the hair, you could see it's darker and then it goes lighter in some areas. I'm trying to create a shadowy or a highlighted look for her hair. So I think I used 2 or 3 different shades of brown and tan to get that look. And I do the same with the dress. And so once that is all done, then I go ahead and color in the flowers and the butterflies with some different colors. So now I am alternating lavender and pink for the card base and for the layers. So I added some lavender and pink flowers, and I made some pink butterflies. I made the pink butterflies floating. It's really sweet. I love the look of it. This is a darling, darling stamp set. Now, for the sky, instead of coloring it in or ink blending, I just went ahead and put some dots of turquoise around in a couple of different shades. And on the ground, I just made a tan ground, more of just something to give it the look of, just the look of a ground without being green. I thought green would kind of not be in the same color family as this card, so I just made it tan. It's whatever you like. And so I added some flat and foam double-sided tape for this circle, and the foam was primarily in the back of these layers, at least the big layer there, and the sentiment. And so now I just place these circles around just to kind of get a feel for where I want them, just to accent the circle that the girl is in. And then I added the sentiment in a little rectangle that was used with a paper trimmer to finish, and also with some gems. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.